Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm a little bit excited about what I'm about to open, but also a bit nervous. I've never used one before. So let's see what we've got, shall we? We have a box. I don't know where my knife's gone. God damn it. Probably not a good thing to use a pen, is it? Especially not one of my special pens, which is Budget Tech pens. This is probably never going to work again. Ah, there we go. Okay, so that's what we get in a box. That's a little bit worrying. The first thing I see is the user manual. It says wireless sander. I didn't buy this to do any sanding. You get a bag. Day Plus. But what is it? You get some gloves. Day Plus. You get a shower cap. A very small shower cap. No, you don't. You get 4, 5, God, 6. What is 6? It's electric. 7. You get a charger. And you get a battery. 8 of those microfiber pads. And you get a 12 volt 2 amp hour battery. My dog's found something to eat. What are you eating? Don't pretend you ain't got nothing in your mouth. Shit bag. You get 1, 2 of these wall pads. Well, not really pads, are they? You know, but they go over. We get 3 of these flat pads, foam pads, quite hard, all the same density. You get 3 of these, a little bit that's squished, but I mean I'm sure it's fine, textured or wavy pads. Again, they feel the same. There's no numbers on them. Sometimes when you buy these, you'll get different numbers on them, like you have on the sandpaper. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2000 grit sanding discs. So clearly it's not for woodwork. What have I bought? And you've probably guessed by now, haven't you? Oh, we get a second battery. Okay. I thought when it said 2 amp hour batteries, it meant a 2 amp, but it actually comes with 2 batteries. And here is the unit itself. And it is, as you can tell, a car polisher, even though it says in the instructions a sander. This is a polishing kit off of AliExpress. Now it's supposed to be one of them ones that it's not perfectly, it doesn't spin in a circle, it spins slightly off centre. I can't remember what it's called, I will find out. Why have I bought this, I hear you ask? Uh-oh, do you have to push that in? Is that even the right way? Probably not. Yeah, it can only go in that way. Ah, there we go. Okay, so you've got indicators on, and yeah, you can clearly see, or hopefully you can see, it's not spinning perfectly circular, it is an off-centre. It's got 6 speed settings. How do these go on then? Do you just stretch them over that? Surely not. Surely you stretch them over one of these. Okay. Braking protocol. Literally the instructions are that. It's just a piece of A4 paper. Printed. It says sander when clearly it's a polisher. Ensure that the environment is clean and bright. Do not use tools and then blah blah blah. Ensure that bystanders, especially children, are kept at a safe distance. Yeah, right. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Flashing lights, battery needs to be charged. 2 lamp beads, about 2/3 of the electricity. All 3 lamps are on, the battery is full. Press the release button on the battery. Remove the battery. That's how to remove. How to install batteries. How to install the adhesive disc. Make sure the switch is off. Stick the fluffy side of the adhesive disc to the chassis. Make sure the paste is firm. What? The adhesive disc, the fluffy side, make sure the paste is firm. Well, I'm guessing that that's already stuck. Does that mean if that comes unstuck? Because it doesn't come with any paste to re-stick it. Anyway, waxing, polishing. Apply the wax to a sponge dish. Do not apply liquid wax directly to the vehicle. Move the equipment at a uniform speed on the surface to work at a matching speed. Do not press the equipment. Be sure to turn off the equipment before removing it from the surface. Corners or grooves that are hard to reach need to be done manually. Turn the device cleaning. That's just cleaning. So literally, it tells you nothing. So look, for once I read the instructions and they're shit. This is why I don't read the instructions that come with a lot of this stuff. It is absolutely hopeless. It's pointless. You know, it tells you nothing. It tells you how to clean, polish the car. Great, I know that. I've watched videos. I know how to do it, but it doesn't tell you what the different things are for. Again, I've done a bit of research, and it seems that is for deeper scratches, that is for mid scratches, and that is for general polishing and stuff. But again, the flat one and the thingy one. So I'm going to have to do more research. But it doesn't tell you how to put these bloody things on. Now, anyway, why have I bought this? I actually thought it was smaller than that. I thought the head was a lot smaller. My van, it's a work vehicle, and obviously some of the places I go, it does get, you go down hedges and that. Some of our roads are very narrow, and it's got a few scratches. Some that go the length of the vehicle. Not deep, but you can see them. And I thought, I wouldn't want to try something like this on a vehicle, on a car that I was proud of. I'd take that to a specialist. But my van, I don't really care about to a degree. It needs a bit of welding done. It needs, it's not in the best condition. It's 13 years old. It's not new. So, yeah, I thought it'd be interesting to try and see if I can make an improvement to the scratches. Because I haven't got the compound to do the scratches yet, I'm going to have a go at headphones. Yeah, I'm going to do headphones with this. I'm going to have a go at the headlights first and see if I can get them looking crystal clear with this stuff as well. And then we'll probably do a second video if the first video goes okay, and we will then try and attempt to make the scratches appear less obvious. Knowing me, I'm going to literally destroy the whole van. But entertaining. But no, it's just I've never tried anything like this before, and I thought, well, as I say, it is a work vehicle, so as long as I don't make it look absolutely awful, we'll give it a go. How does this charge? It just plugs in now. And that's gone red, so that is charging. Alright guys, so next time you see me, I'll be out by the van, hopefully cleaning up the headlights, although this is a bit big to clean the headlights, but we'll see how it goes. See you in a minute.
it's looking better, but some of the lines that were previously there are still obviously there, so we're going to whack it on some more. That's actually pretty good. Let's have a look. Microphone cable stuck in the bloody screen. But you can see how dull it is. Let's see. That's the one I have done. That is night and day different. Okay, so I've just finished the one headlight at the moment. So recording for tea. Do apologise, it is a bit breezy. I am hopefully sheltered here. Also, my wife has got the aircon on, looking out the window. So yeah, she's obviously feeling a bit hot. I'm pretty impressed with that polishing. Next video, we will have a look at trying to get some of the scratches out of the side of the van. But it's done a pretty good job on that light. Or the lens anyway, you know you know what I mean. So yeah, pretty impressed for 20 odd quid on all the kit it comes with as well. Possibly, I think that's another bargain, as long as it doesn't completely destroy the side of my van when I do it. I would say that this has definitely been a win from AliExpress. So guys, what do you think about this polisher from AliExpress? Do you think it's done a good job? Would you trust something like this on your vehicle? As I say, this is a work van, so I'm not overly worried about it, but it is still my van. It's not a company van, it's mine, I own it, so I don't want to destroy it. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the results so far. We will do another video very soon. We're trying to get rid of some of the scratches on the side of the van. That will be interesting, see how it does on that. But for now, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, but you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And what's the other thing? Drop a comment if you got any questions. Let me know what you think about this, or if you bought anything similar to this and you've had good results, bad results. Drop a comment, let me know. But for now, I'm going to get out of here because it's breezy, and I need to go in and edit this video because I've not released one all week, and I'm letting the side down a bit. Sorry about that. I will do better in the future. But yeah, I'm going to get out of here. Hope to see you again soon in the next one. But bye for now, guys. Bye.